Hello viewers and subscribers, and this is a video and an update on the lettuce. And lettuce really grows very quickly, and this is after, I would say, maybe about a week. And I had dropped these seeds in the Rockwool cubes, and now they're starting to get roots. So let me see if I can get, goodness. All right. So let me just get this one. You see the roots that are coming down at the bottom? What I'm going to do is put this Rockwool cube into the net cup, and then I'm going to place it inside my little grow system that I started with a 3-gallon Rubbermaid container. So this is the container, and what I did is I put a couple of gallons of water, and then I put another gallon of water mixed with Maxi Grow, and the pH was 6.9, and pH for lettuce should be between 6.0 and 7.0, and so I'm right in that ballpark, being the pH of 6.9. So I'm going to be placing these into the Rubbermaid container, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I have placed the lettuce inside the Rubbermaid container, and I put them under Hidden Harvest grow lights, and voila. What I'm going to do also is I'm going to be placing some clay pebbles around the lettuce to keep it upright. Okay, I'm back, and I've added the clay pebbles. It looks awesome. So viewers and subscribers, I will be back with another update, I would say in another week. So until the next video, blessings.